Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of data science with Python. In this video, I'm going to take you through the course overview for data science with Python. Have you ever been asked these questions at your workplace or at your college or while interacting with someone for your job interview? How are you going to acquire new customers by specific targeting? Who are your existing customers and how do you retain them? All the marketing professionals out there, I'm pretty sure you must have faced these questions. Another question you must have faced is how do you keep existing customers more engaged and increase the repeat purchase by them? And moreover, how do you identify new business opportunities? And if you can do that, then how do you leverage the historical data to take wiser decisions for your organization? This could be across finance, HR, IT, supply chain, but how do you leverage data to take wiser decisions? And do you have it in you to build a system which is highly intelligent and scalable? Do you have the answer for these questions? Have these questions been asked to you? And last but not the least, how would robots and self driving cars be a success? Do you have a clue about it? Do you know the basics around that? Have you been asked this? I'm pretty sure you must have been asked all these questions. The answer to all these questions lie in the world of data, the world where you can derive information from the humongous data available to you, and this science of deriving information from data is called data science. And that is why we are here today to introduce to you the world of data science. But what is data science? Data science is the art of making sense and extracting meaningful insights out of large sets of data available to you. You may have lots and lots and lots of raw data, but can you use some tools on it to arrive at a useful information which could act as an input for taking strategic decisions? That is what data science is all about. And it has certain pillars. The first pillar of data science is statistics. Do you know statistics? Can you build the capability around statistics? Second is mathematics. It's not just about mean, median, mode, standard deviation, but it is more to that. And that is where mathematics comes into picture. And then is programming. If I talk about automating things, if I talk about making things semi or fully automated to derive information from huge sets of data, I certainly do need programming. And then for the representation of my data, I need to ace certain visual techniques to help in data visualization and modeling. And today, the world is not just about presenting the reports, but the ability to talk in the form of a story around that data. And that is where data oriented storytelling is very important skill. And on the basis of these five pillars, you arrive at the powerful tool of data science, which derives information from the humongous raw data available out there in semi or fully automated fashion. And that powerful tool, that art, that technology, that skill is what is known as data science. And people who work on data science as a skill, they are called data scientists, which is very much understandable from the name itself. But what is the value of data scientists? So, friends, today data scientists are the most highly valued and in demand working professionals out there. They are having a huge demand in the industry. The function of a data scientist is to offer solutions to the organization he is working for based on the data and the techniques which he use on that data to arrive at certain insights and then provide solutions on the basis of those insights to the organization. That is what a data scientist does. And at the end of the day, if you don't get paid well for what you are doing, the point is lost. But that is not the case when it comes to data scientists. Average salary in India for a professional with 2 years of experience in the world of data science is INR 45 lakh plus. That is a substantial and a good, attractive salary, which makes data scientist as a sexy job to be in. Now, we talked about using programming, certain technology skills. So, majorly, there are two ways which data scientists use to manipulate and to play with the data. And these are Python and R. Both of them are the programming languages. And this course, we are going to dive deep into Python. We will take you to the world of data science with Python. Why, how, and what's the necessity of selecting Python over R? We will deal with all these questions as we move forward. Why Python for data science? As I just mentioned, that we are going to deal with data science with the help of Python, but why Python? First reason for that is Python offers you a extensive library. This library provides you a lot of inbuilt modules which enable easy accessibility to multiple functionalities. It unleashes at you plethora of functionalities with the help of this extensive library. And that is why Python has today become the most widely used technologies in the field of data science. Moreover, Python is an open source language. It not only improves your accessibility, but it also provides solution to everyday programming challenges which you face with the help of its library and because of it being open source. And the open source ecosystem to which Python caters to is platform independent. You can use it on Android, you can use it on iOS, you can use it on Windows. So it is a platform independent language. The winning formula which Python has created for the organizations is in the form of productivity, it is in the form of maintainability, and it is in the form of the software quality. And that is where Python has become the preferred go-to language for the organizations today. It is offering a flat learning curve to every professional who is trying to ace Python as a language. And the future of Python is where the future of data science lies as well. And because of all of these qualities, Python today is a global tool for data science. And that is the reason 46% of the data science jobs which you would see listed on different platforms would mention Python as a required skill. 46% of data science jobs need you to know Python, need you to solve data science problems with the help of Python. That is a huge, huge number. But let us dive into a few more facts about Python to understand the future. First of all, we all know that Python is quickly replacing Java as the programming language everywhere, be it colleges, be it companies, be it big organizations. Secondly, when it comes to data science, Python as a language is expected to surpass the supply and have excess of demand And this demand is going to surpass supply by 60%. This is what McKinsey said few months back in its report. And last but not the least, demand for Python data scientists has increased by hopping 96.9% in last 12 months. That is approximate 100%. And that is from where you will understand the necessity of you not only being a data scientist, but being a data scientist with Python. So, friends, come and ace the future. Learning data science was never so much fun as it is today, all thanks to Python. And we are all set to ace data science, to learn data science the Python way and ace the future. That is where the jobs lies. That is where high salaries lie. That is where the humongous career growth lies. In the field of data science, the Python way is where we all should move towards. Towards the end, I would like to highlight the course curriculum for this particular certificate course on data science with Python. It comprises of 14 hours of e-learning. There would be 2 simulation projects which would be offered to you post the completion of 14 hours of e-learning. We will be providing you 175 questions to practice to ensure that you have learned and developed the right concepts for data science with Python. At the end of the course, you will be offered a certificate once you clear the exam, and this certificate would be nothing less than the Nanodegree in data science with Python. And once you are done with all the steps successfully, we would connect you with our hiring partners and you would end up getting a data science job with one of our hiring partners. That is what the entire Nanodegree course on data science with Python brings to the table for you. So, what are you waiting for? Let us start now. Let us dive deep into the world of data science with Python. Let us be a data scientist who is wanted by all the companies for high paying profiles. Let us start now the learning for data science with Python.